Mango Madness Salsa, the tropical swish you didn't know you needed. Hold on to your taste buds because we're about to go full Florida. This mango salsa is so fresh, so vibrant, and so addictive you'll be looking for excuses to put it on everything. Whether you're dipping chips, topping tacos, or just spooning it straight from the bowl, no judgment. This recipe's got that sweet, tangy punch. Perfect for Space Coast living. Let's dive into some mango madness and take your kitchen from zero to tropical in 3, 2, 1. Ingredients will be 2 ripe mangoes diced. Bring on that juicy sweetness. 1 red bell pepper diced for that crunch and color pop. Half a red onion finely chopped, just enough zing without the tears. 1 jalapeno finely chopped. Seeds removed if you're spice sensitive, or leave them if you're in for a kick. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, optional for the cilantro lovers out there. Juice of 1 lime, because citrus makes everything better. Salt and pepper to taste. Mango Mania. Peel and dice those mangoes like a pro. Imagine they're little golden cubes of sunshine and aim for bite-sized pieces that won't hog the spotlight. Drop them in a bowl and let's move on to the supporting cast. Color collision. Add in your diced red bell pepper and red onion. This salsa isn't just about taste, it's about giving your guests that, wow, did you make this kind of moment. Toss in the finely chopped jalapeno, adjusting the amount based on how much fire you're willing to handle. Cilantro, it's up to you. If you're team cilantro, go ahead and chop it for some fresh herby flavor. If you're one of the few anti-cilantro folks, just skip this step and carry on guilt-free. Lime time! Squeeze that lime over the bowl like you're adding a tropical zest to your day. The lime juice will balance the sweetness of the mango and keep everything fresh. Sprinkle in salt and pepper and give it an oh-so-gentle mix so that every bite packs the perfect pinch of flavor. Let it marinate, if you can wait. For the best flavor, let your salsa cure in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's tough, but trust me, the flavors need a little time to mingle. If patience isn't your thing, dive in right away, no judgment here. So your serving suggestions: start this mango salsa with tortilla chips, a topped grilled fish or shrimp tacos, or as a colorful addition to your grilled chicken or pork chops. It's the kind of recipe that turns anything it touches into a tropical masterpiece. And there you have it, Mango Madness Salsa, that's as vibrant and unforgettable as a Florida sunset. Perfect for backyard parties, poolside snacks, or just a little solo treat in the kitchen. We all do it. If this salsa transported you to a tropical paradise, hit that subscribe button for more recipes to keep you living the Space Coast dream. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it fruity, and keep it Florida.